going? We are on our way. We have to go get a new battery for the Tundra because it won't start. And Danny hit a cone yesterday with her car, and so it's not drivable until we get it fixed. So we have two not drivable cars in our house right now, so that's awesome. So we're gonna go to the auto parts store and buy a new battery and change the battery. So I thought you guys could come along. And I believe there's a car parts store in Ashland, so hopefully we can get a battery there. Because otherwise we'd have to drive all the way to Medford. Okay, new battery is acquired. There it is right there in all its glory. Now, let's go see if we can get the Tundra to start. Sounds like fun. Sounds like a good time to me, doing a little auto mechanic work. I think that everyone should know how to jump start a car, change oil, do all the minor maintenance things. So I'm hoping that once we get the new battery in, it just starts right up. Because it's been sitting for a while and that battery was kind of iffy anyways. So we'll just go put a new battery in, see how it does. I also need to figure out what's going on with the electrical because the running lights weren't working last time Dustin drove it. So that could, I don't know if that's a function of the battery or what, but we will see. Okay, so here is the old battery, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this off and this off, and then remove the old battery and put the new battery in. So let me go grab some tools and we'll get started. Okay. There we go. Okay. Well, we did it. We changed the battery. Good job, us. So there's the new battery all in, ready to go. Okay, car maintenance day 2. So we got the battery changed in the truck yesterday. Super cool, but now the running lights aren't working. So I am going to the auto parts store again to see if they have any ideas as to why running lights aren't working. So here we go. And we're driving the truck. So let's go. And it doesn't have the biggest dash in the world, so I'm not sure how well the camera's gonna stay on. Oh well, here we go. In the Tundra. It's a good little truck. So this has quickly turned into a work on the truck vlog, which is fine. Okay. It's snowing. I can't believe it's spring break and it's snowing outside. This is absolutely ridiculous. We're in the middle of a little snow type situation. So hopefully they'll be helpful at the car parts store. I don't know. We'll find out. So there's only one auto store in town, so that's where we're headed. It's Napa, I believe. I believe it's Napa Auto Parts, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll be able to tell you in just a minute when we roll up. We were there yesterday to get the new batteries, so that's cool. And now the truck is starting, so that's even cooler. It is Napa. Okay, let's go ask them their professional opinion. Okay, so the guy thinks I should change the bulbs first. So I got 2 bulbs and we will go home and change them and see if that fixes our problem. If not, we may need a new brake light switch, which he said isn't too complicated. So wish me luck. Here we go. Let's go home and try and change this. Okay, here we go. So first, I'm going to remove this thing. That's the technical term. That is excellent news. That side is working, so now let's change the other side. Okay, we've run into a little bit of a problem because someone switched this from the original 10mm that was there into something smaller. So now I have to find what size it is to undo it. Okay, now time to test and see if the running lights are working, and then we're going to go back to the auto parts store to buy a new one of these. So let's test this out. And we have 2 working taillights. That is awesome. So it was the bulbs. In fact, both of them were blown. I'll be darned. Cool. Okay, so we got the truck up and running. We got working taillights. We have a new battery. Oh my gosh, exciting day. I do have to run back to the auto parts store because someone replaced one of the thingies with one that doesn't fit, or it doesn't fit as well as it should, and so I don't want to have the headache of having to try and monkey it off like I did just now, because it was a lot harder than I thought it should be. So I'm gonna go see if I can buy a replacement bolt, whatever it's called, so that it's the correct size. So yay! Awesome Possum, look! I got a brand new one for free. He just gave it to me. So that's cool. So now I don't have to use this janky one that didn't work. It was a total pain. So this one's a tad bit longer, but we'll go home and put these back in the truck and we're done. Truck maintenance is handled. Yes, go team. I love it when things work like they should. Okay, now that we have the new bolts, our last step is to put them back on. Okay, now I will put my tools away and we are done with the truck. That's awesome. Very, very productive. I'm very happy with how it turned out and what an easy fix it was. I thought it was going to be like some big electrical issue, but nope, just needed new bulbs.